Well, it is March 10th, 2026, and I can't believe, but it was 74 degrees about a half hour ago. Wow. So the snow is definitely starting to melt. We certainly have enough of it around. It's been here since early November. So, and there's the old bathroom cabinet and the sink. So that'll be thrown out with all that wood down there when I replace the tongue and groove pine. But it is beautiful today. You can see since the last time the top of the firewood shed snow is almost done. Beautiful blue skies. And as you can see from the thumbnail that I took, I am starting the garden. We'll definitely have to take these in soon because daylight today doesn't wake up the bears. What will? Wow, you can actually see the chairs by the fireplace, or whatever you want to call it. And, and look at this. Snow that was really high on the raised garden beds is really getting lower as well. So it's not going to be long. I'm going to start planting the seeds inside, but outside they'll go in probably late April, or some of them. So that's kind of the scoop here. The deck is all free of snow and ice, which is awesome. And here's my Weber 2-burner grill that I've used during the entire winter, even when it was minus 15, to cook. And yeah, there is the shingles that are starting to be visible, that were covered all winter. And the new roof will be put on in like the beginning of May. And I guess that's it. All right, so hope everybody's being safe these days, and God bless. Until next time.